front of me is OnePlus Nord 4, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then click on this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you finished, click on one of those repeat options, ring once, work days or custom, and adjust a chosen one. Then click on alarm name and label it however you want to. When you finished, hit sound and vibration, tap on allow, click on vibration at the top and apply one of those patterns. Disable vibration completely or synchronize them with ringtone. Wherever you decided when you're ready, you can also click on one of those system themes to pick a perfect sound for your alarm. Or click on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone to apply it. Just click on it and go back. Then tap on snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also turn it off or on thanks to this switcher at the top. Then to save your alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it and tap on one of those options in the pop-up. To make some changes, tap on it, change whatever you want to and hit done. And to get rid of it, just hold it and click delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!